Form ni aje, umejiuliza we, hakuna haja kunyamaza kimya na wajiumiza mwenyewe. Usinyamaze, ongea, ongea, usinyamaze, ongea, ongea. Form ni kubonga, si kugonga. Ongea, form ni kubonga, si kugonga. Ongea.
My name is Maureen Limashep. I am the CEC in charge of Youth Affairs, Gender, Sports, Culture and Social Services, Baringo County. I want to appreciate GVRC for visiting us today in our office, and their main purpose of visit, they wanted to come and get or learn from us what the department is doing on gender activities, and I want to appreciate the existence of Gender-Based Violence Act 2022 in our county, and this act really helps us to run the gender activities. For example, it helps us when it comes to coordination. It allows us to coordinate partners or to bring partners on board when it comes to gender programs and gender mainstreaming activities. This document also allows us to mobilize resources from partners and maybe other departments from the county. It also allows us to partner together with the national government. We do training of women groups on HACPO. HACPO stands for Access to Government Procurement Activities. We train our women so that we can encourage them to participate when it comes to programs like securing contracts in the county, both the women and the youth, and also people living with disability. We also work with other county government departments to ensure the 30% affirmative action is complied. I want to appreciate the existence of shelters, as we all know that Baringo County is known of rampant gender-based violence.
My name is Daudi Aengwa, the County Director in charge of Youth Affairs and Gender in Baringo County. Being the Director in any department, you are the technical person that we give advisory to the Cabinet through the CEC. Our department is comprised of several subsectors which also deal on social protection matters. We have the Department of Youth Affairs, the Department of Youth and Sports, we have Gender, we have Culture, Heritage and Social Services. And all of them are under one CEC committee member for the Cabinet. On matters partnership, I want to share with a lot of appreciation to GVRC that their partnership since 2021 has actually has been of help, especially on capacity building. We have done a lot of capacity building trainings, and it is culminated by the recent training that we did on community health promoters, CBOs, shelter managers, and also government officers that are working on the line area of GBV. I want to say that GVRC has supported one of the shelters in Baringo, and that is Sunrise Children's Home. The Sunrise Children's Home for a long time has been a center that has served children, those who have been abandoned or those who are orphans and they have no other support. So GVRC has come up and they have actually publicized the same, and the public are now aware that there is an upcoming shelter called Sunrise Children's Home that will be assisting the GBV survivors.
Kwa majina naitwa Irene Tarus. Mimi ni community health promoter wa Kaptimbor unit, Baringo County. So tunashirikiana pamoja na Sunrise Children's Home kwa mambo na community, mambo na household collection. Pia kuna mambo ya tunaletea watoto dawa, tunakuja check-ups monthly after 3 months, ya deworming, maybe diabetic na pressure. Pia tunashirikiana kwa mambo ya psychosocial support na pia kukuja kujumuika na watoto huko, kuwafunza mambo na dhulma. Katika mkutano ya GVRC niliweza kunufaika kwa mambo mengi. Ya kwanza niliweza kujua zaidi kuhusu jinsi tutakavyosaidia wale walioathirika na gender based violence na jinsi tutakavyowarefer na the root cause yenye inafanya watu wengi waathirike nayo. Pia tuliweza kujua manufaa ambayo inasaidia wale walioathirika kama legal support, mambo na shelter, mambo na social support.
My name is Mary Sang, or Mama Sunrise. I am the director, Sunrise Children's Home. Sunrise Children's Home is a charitable children institution in Baringo County. I do coordination, I do oversight management, and I do collaboration with stakeholders, as many as possible, and also follow-up of our children with our social worker. Sunrise Children's Home is a charitable children institution which was started in 2003, and the purpose of starting the home was that at that time in late 1990s and early 2000, the issue of HIV/AIDS was so rampant, and there were many children who had been orphaned, and there was a felt need by the leadership of Baringo district by then to have a place to keep these children safe and to be taken care of. The objective of the home is to support a needy child to reach where he or she could have reached in life if the parents were there or were capable. Our children here come from they are in different categories. Currently, we have 5 categories. The first category is orphan children with known relatives. We have orphan children with no known relatives. We have abandoned children, and we have vulnerable and abused children, who are many currently. And then the last category is those who are rescued from FGM or early marriages. We want to thank the GVRC, being sponsored by Accelerate Project through the Denmark Embassy in Nairobi, for identifying Sunrise Children's Home as one of the shelters to support in providing shelter and safe space for gender violence victims. The children who have been cared and protected here usually come through 4 channels. We work with the police, we work with the children department, we work with the locals, we work with the hospitals, and we also thank the hospital because when our children are sick, we usually take them there, and they usually assist us to treat them free of charge, unless where they require specialized treatment. They have been supporting us. We want to thank them for that. As I said, this is an opportunity that we have been given by GVRC because they were the one on the ground. We were able to recommend to the Accelerate project, which was sponsored by the Danish Embassy in Nairobi. This is an opportunity you have given us to expand our service from dealing with children to those others who have been affected in the society. We want to say thank you so much, and we want to say thank you for the projects that you are coming to undertake. When those projects are completed, this place will be much better than what it is now. And we appreciate, we want to thank everybody for that. And thank you for identifying us, thank you for willing to work with us, and thank you for coming to join us. We want to thank all of you, the GVRC, Accelerate team, the Denmark Embassy in Nairobi, and their sponsors and their well-wishers for picking us as a shelter in Baringo. You know, there are 13 in the country, and we are among them. We are so grateful. We are going to
Hakuna haja kunyamaza kimya na wajiumiza.